Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail, and we back again. We doing it again with them wings. I'm gonna show you guys how to make buffalo garlic Parmesan wings. Now, if you never had these wings before, you're gonna learn today. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our chicken wings. I have some smoked hot sauce right here. If you don't have smoked hot sauce, just use regular hot sauce. Right here, we have our butter, honey, grated Parmesan cheese, and right here I have some Frank's red hot buffalo seasoning. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. I'll leave a link to that in the video description below so you go pick it up on Amazon. We got baking powder right here, fresh chopped garlic, brown sugar, black pepper. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, let's start by preparing our chicken. We're just gonna dab that with a little olive oil, add our black pepper, our Frank's buffalo seasoning, and our baking powder. Of course, we're gonna go in with our hands, get that all mixed up. And the reason why I didn't add any salt, because this buffalo seasoning has salt in it. Now, if you wanna add some additional salt, you can. I don't recommend it. Once the wings are sauced, you already got salt in your sauce, so you're gonna be good right there. This is what we have. We're gonna set this aside. Let's continue. Now let's start preparing our buffalo garlic Parmesan sauce. We're gonna add our butter here, our brown sugar, our honey. And guys, I forgot to mention, I'm using hot honey. You don't have hot honey, that's fine. And now we're gonna add our smoked hot sauce. We're gonna get this whisked in until the butter is completely melted. All right, guys, so once that butter is melted, we're gonna turn this off because you don't want it to overcook. What we're gonna do now, if you have a stick blender, you could just add your stick blender in here, kind of get it all blended up. But I'm gonna run over to my regular blender and I'm gonna pulse it for a couple of seconds, then we're gonna come back, all right? Now that we've pulsed our sauce, we're gonna unpause our heat and we're gonna add our sauce back to our pan. Guys, can you see how bright orange that is now? We're gonna add our garlic and our Parmesan cheese. Don't pulse your garlic and Parmesan cheese in it. You wanna add this once you pulse your sauce. So you're just gonna whisk your Parmesan cheese and your garlic into your sauce just like this. Man, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And we're just gonna let this simmer for about a minute or so, let those flavors come together. Once you start seeing it bubble, you wanna kill that heat. We're gonna take our sauce and we're gonna pour it in this bowl, just like that. Probably should have put it in my measuring cup. Would have been better. I'll transfer it to the measuring cup. But now we're gonna head over to our air fryer, get it preheated, so we'll get those wings in there, all right? All right, so now our air fryer is preheated. I'm gonna hit it with some cooking spray. Start adding our wings. These wings are pretty small right here, which I actually like them when they're this small. That's what I like about the chicken here, man. The chicken here don't seem like they be lifting weights over here. Normal size. And as usual, we're using our Chef Favor air fryer. I like it. Look how big it is, all the space, man. I always big this thing up because I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and cook these for about 22 to 24 minutes. We're gonna turn them over midway through the cooking process. So we're gonna close this baby up so it can stop beeping. Gonna adjust the time, all right? And I'll see you in half of the time. All right, guys, so we're gonna pause this. We're at the 12-minute mark. We're gonna take a look at what we have. We're gonna go ahead and start flipping these babies over. All right, so they're all flipped over. We're gonna close our lid, let it cook for the remaining 12 minutes, and we're gonna come back. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Let's lift this hood up. Oh man, I can just grab me one of them babies right now. Looks like they're crisp like I like them. No need to put any more extra time on them. So let's head over to our cutting board and get these babies sauced up. All right, so let's add our wings here. to our bowl. Now we're gonna take our reserved sauce. We're gonna pour it over our wings like this. And like we always do about this time, we're gonna do a little shaky baking. Guys, take a look at that. All right, let's get these babies plated up, heading to quality control. And there you have it, buffalo garlic Parmesan wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead, jump into quality control and do a taste test. Listen, it's quality control time. Man, take a look at these wings. Man, look at them buffalo garlic Parmesan. Y'all ever had buffalo garlic Parmesan? I have. I'm gonna have them again. I'm gonna start out with this flat. Man, I probably got stuff all over my mouth. Absolutely fire. Listen, you want to give these babies a try. You're going to love them. Like I say, I'm the wing king. No need to pat myself on the back. We already know they're groceries. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. He just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.